The automotive landscape is changing. SUVs are everywhere. But not all SUVs are created equal. The 2024 Kia Seltos is here to redefine what a compact SUV can be. It's stylish, versatile, and packed with features. The Seltos is ready to take on the urban jungle or the open road. This isn't just a refresh. The 2024 Seltos is a bold evolution. It comes with redesigned front and rear bumpers for a more aggressive stance. The grilles are new, adding sophistication. New wheel designs complete the package. The Seltos is instantly recognizable. The LED headlights and taillights are not just stylish, they improve visibility for safer driving. The Seltos is all about options. It comes in several trims to suit your needs and budget. The LX trim is the entry point to the Seltos family. It's packed with value. The S trim adds more features and comfort. For those who want it all, there's the EX trim. But there's one trim that stands out, the X line. It strikes the perfect balance between price and features.